Out here, your caravan isn't just a holiday, it's what gets you home again. A caravan that's built for the outback, not just built for the brochure. Under every Bushtracker is a serious off-road platform, heavy-duty chassis, rugged suspension, an undercarriage designed to handle rock steps, ruts and long corrugated roads without flinching. So when the hills get steeper, your van just goes with you. We build differently. Proven construction, quality materials, and the kind of detail you only get from people who actually tow these roads. Step inside and you feel it straight away. Rounded cabinetry that's easy to live with on the move. Strong overhead storage that holds up when the track gets rough. A spacious bathroom. Room to move through the van without squeezing past each other. And a finish that feels more like a high-end apartment than a caravan in the hills. And because every journey's different, every Bushtracker can be shaped around you. Couples or family layouts, clever storage, power and water systems set up for the way you actually travel. So your Bushtracker becomes your own specialised outback tourer, ready for winding mountain ranges, hidden creeks, and those camps you can't reach in anything else. For people who want to go further, stay longer. Bushtracker, real caravans, built for the outback. Find out more at bushtracker.com.